Welcome. If you've ever wanted to make group decisions easier and more fun, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use polls in a group chat on Messenger with the latest updates for 2025. Whether you're planning a trip, deciding on a movie night, or just settling a friendly debate, polls are the perfect way to get everyone's opinion in seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone or device. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Next, find the group chat where you want to create your poll. It could be your family group, your friends, or even your work team. Tap on the group chat to open the conversation. Now, look for the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all the extra features Messenger has to offer. Go ahead and tap the plus icon. From the menu that pops up, scroll until you see the option labeled Polls. Tap on Polls to get started. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a space to type your question. This is where you can ask anything you want the group to vote on. It could be as simple as, "Where should we go for dinner?" Or, "Which day works best for our meeting?" Below the question, you'll see options to add different answers. Type in as many options as you need. Messenger makes it easy to add or remove choices. Once your question and options are set, take a quick look to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, tap Create Poll. Instantly, your poll will appear in the group chat for everyone to see and vote on. Group members can tap their choice, and Messenger will automatically tally the votes in real time. That's it. You've just made group decisions a whole lot simpler. Try using polls in your next Messenger group chat and see how much easier it is to get everyone involved. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.